How to find interactions settings on TikTok. Now hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the interaction settings on TikTok. Now first open TikTok now and then click on your profile here in bottom corner, and after that click the storylines in top corner, and now click privacy, and here you will find interaction settings. You can manage comments and following list and blocked accounts, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.